In this video, we'll be doing a simple review of the Microsoft Copilot for Security GreyNoise plugin. There are currently two plugins available within Copilot. One that supports the GreyNoise Community API only, and then a more comprehensive plugin that uses the GreyNoise Enterprise APIs for our subscribers. For this demo, I have pre-recorded some sessions within Copilot to show the capabilities that are available. First, I'm going to go ahead and review the capabilities that are available within the GreyNoise Community plugin. Since the GreyNoise Community plugin only uses the IP lookup components, I have pre-populated a few different IP addresses in here. The prompts are as simple as saying, ask GreyNoise about a particular IP address, and we're showing a few examples of what types of different responses you can expect to see from Copilot. This first example, we can see that this is a malicious IP address, and then there's a link back to the GreyNoise visualizer here as well. In this next example here, we've put an IP address that is currently not within either of the GreyNoise datasets, and that is indicated here in the prompt response as well. The next example includes a IP address that is a benign IP address within our internet scanning or noise dataset. And we can see that it's listed here as a Cortex Expanse benign actor. And then the final prompt we use for the community API here is an IP address that's part of our Riot dataset. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab another session here. I'm going to show the same set of prompts, but using the Enterprise API. So if we take a look at that first malicious IP address, we can see that the Copilot for Security tool provides a much more comprehensive response here based on all of the information that our API provides. And then we can see, again, for an IP address that's not in the noise dataset, we get a simple response back here saying this has not been observed by GreyNoise. In the case where we have a benign IP address, so we can see that this is classified as benign, so this is a benign internet scanner, and there's some additional metadata that is also returned as well. Now, because the enterprise APIs have dedicated APIs for both the noise and Riot datasets, when we put a known business service IP address into the standard prompt, we can see that GreyNoise comes back and says, I don't know anything about this one. But the enterprise plugin includes a Riot prompt. So if you modify the prompt to say, ask GreyNoise Riot about this particular IP address, you can see that you get the full comprehensive list of what's available from the Riot API in this response. In addition to the IP lookups, there is also a CVE lookup as well. We can see that there is a simple prompt of ask GreyNoise about a particular CVE. And in the response here, we can see sort of a summary of all of the information that we have collected about that particular CVE as it relates to mass exploitation and internet scanning. If you want to review the full list of available options, you can go down to the system capabilities and find the GreyNoise Enterprise plugin list here to see all of the different available capabilities here. To enable or disable the plugin, you just go to sources here, and you can find the two GreyNoise plugins. You can enable whatever one it is you want to use, and then in the settings, just enter your GreyNoise API key. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please just reach out to support@greynoise.io. Thank you very much.